telling me not to. I'll advertise my collections. I didn't put it in the beginning of the vlog. I usually put it at the end of my vlog, and it's still hurting you. I'm not very nice, though. It is social media that is humble us. If we meet face to face, Martin Lord Luerju, I'll be posting just vlog. Yes, fine, I do post vlog, but now that I have business, I will advertise my business in my videos. The people that love me, see my mommies and all my big brothers, they love me. We are like friends now. Most of my subscribers turns to customers, turns to mommies. You will see us. You will think we've known each other for a long time. You will now come here saying you're rubbish, and all your disciples will be liking it. Allah bossy, hypocrite. Please, if you know, so if you know you are well to do, I beg, you don't need to leave a comment. Just waka jeje. So many pages right now. You can join.
Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Today, I bring our sister Abiandfamily come my channel. Yes, since I just they say, you know, they are family all my returning. Me, I know the verse. I know they always appreciate them for inside my mind. I appreciate you guys. Okay, I appreciate you guys. If you never subscribe, please do where to join this beautiful family. I bring our sister Abiandfamily come this our channel today. Since Abiandfamily, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If you never watched that video, what I want to try to talk about, please head to her house, go and watch her. Tell her so you are coming from Naija Daughter. Yes, so all the way from France. Yes, so the way from Sava. Hey, my beautiful people. Yeah, so now we dey there. Now we dey run now. Now we dey answer the My people, I bring our sister Abiandfamily come our channel today. Why? The reason why we bring our sister Abiandfamily, our sister Apara, for one of our video, when she say one commenter, they always dey her neck. Say whether one commenter be some commenter, me I not go lie. Me una go her house, me una go watch that her video. Say she dey always say, Abi, your advert will dey too much for video. Abi, why you always they do advert for your channel? Abi, why you always they do advert for the video when they drop? What is a one enjoy maybe 30 minutes video? It will come be 5 minutes video, then 10 minutes advert. My people, this word you can never please this word. Do what you go do when you go please you. Me una ask me why I talk, and the reason why I talk, and me I put this thing for my mouth. Me I see. Don't say my mouth dry one kind. Now that. No be so. Problem. Some commenters they can break table. I know say na lover. Then when I try to one tell and say see what you go they give you now. But how can a content creator, as I just did now, I be content creator. I get a family vlog. I get gist channel. Okay, me I look and I say like my gist channel. Now I forget all the experts. I know for the jam people when they really watch me, organic people. Then maybe I say something. Then maybe after waiting I want to talk, I feel say, guys, now can check this thing out. Oh, I they sell them or me na chat me if you need them. Oh, this hair one put for head or this ear or this hair or this cloth. So if they want buy a girl, guys, me na not fit to chat me up. You know this one good. Why no talking? Why no make advert for my channel? Brand go give me they will give me contract to talk about them, to showcase their there are things for my channel. Then when we can't get my own, I know can't feel advertiser. Is it good? I be not good. My people, my content creator, my fellow content creator, he over good. Yeah. They say now get it in. Now you go know how to use her. Now you go know how to maintain her. As our sister now Abiandfamily, she get a platform to advertise her brand, to advertise her goods, so to advertise her things. Then she'll come go pay one person like her, say, help me to showcase my jewelry or my gold for your channel. Is it make sense? It don't make sense now. Let tell ourselves the truth. It don't make sense. She na YouTuber. She na content creator. She na content creator. She dey create content. Then after the video, she'll come start to do her advert. Initially, what Abiandfamily do? For me, she dey do her well. Normal, she go do video. Then after me una pardon, my children, we did 2 weeks holiday. Any noise when I dey hear for this video, I bet me una dey hear am, okay? Europe, nobody did there to help you. As far as God not there to everything by yourself, okay? I'm here to face them. May I quick film? I never film since now. Now one video I don't upload since. May I upload video? May I do this video? Maybe tomorrow or maybe later I'll feel upload that. Now. I tell I hear my people. Abiandfamily, she dey do her video well. How she say they do the video well? Initially, she know say that her channel na about vlog. Then she'll come do the vlog. reach the minute when she wan do the vlog reach, then she'll come publish am. Then she'll come add her advert. Then if you be the type when you no send those her jewelries, when you no send those her advert of gold, then you go stop for where the vlog for stop. You go stop. Then you go leave. But those who still like to watch the latest jewelries, the latest gold, the latest this, the latest this, they go further and watch. Not everything will they hit Paxi or will they turn person down or would like yesterday I see comment somebody say speak English. Now your language that they speak. This street. Some of your haters, some those people say go be like people want to of na don't even gather chat. Or people that just sit down, they have you. These people not be far distance people, they do all those things. They say now who no man they kill man. Now who no man they kill man. Who don't even fair do before follow you. Now they will come your comment section. Some of them, they'll be your fellow content creator when they having you. When they feel say you know if you ever do one like this, they come they will surprise say, in fact, God they by your side. Now that they do one. How could you just go somebody account China? We actually for the not say YouTube now business. YouTube itself now business. Talk of you can't get another business apart from YouTube. And you official case for YouTube so that your audience go see and you just go press the comment section. You go say, no, they advertise. If you don't advertise, may come your house. I'm sorry if I hurt you. You did that commenter. Because some of person just come my comment section. What here they speak so? The person, if not be Nigeria, I go no. This person drop by say ha, they speak English. Now your papa village, now they speak. I been na your mama village language, now they speak. I been na another of your village language, now they speak. If not be the Nigeria, our pidgin English, now they speak. I speak Nigeria pidgin English. You know, say through Abiandfamily now, I don't enter my own. Some comment when you go they receive, you go be like say you and that person are married the same man, or you and that person are they drag the same man, or you and that person are they the same house, that they drag each other. Some comment tax. May una collect things. Person they do it thing for China. If you not like, no wash. If you like, wash. They really talk and say now your hater now they watch your video pass. A comment section, you go say me you know they advertise. Where you want for go advertise and may come your ass. You open store for make the advertiser. No, say YouTube na store. YouTube even get their store when they release to us. Maybe they advertise our brand for them. Maybe they sell our things there. Now because I never get anything why they sell. If I don't see they sell them. If I can't get something why they sell today, now so I just there I say, hello guys, please check this thing out. You can afford it as Nello. Nello they always showcase or any or hair or anything. Or Nello they showcase her t-shirt. Many of her video why I watch this period. Some of her video, her t-shirt. Okay, if you don't like person, our commenters, we dey appreciate you now after they watch the drop comment. But don't drop hate comment. No be those people when they know you, when they want try pull you down, when they want try make you they sad. No be all those people they talk. Genuine commenters who just see you like you, who just see you want no, he just love you. Now they will they talk to say I beg, pick on. No, now they drop love comment. Eh? No be my fellow content creator when you go to another fake account. You want use and bully me. How you go say me I dey speak English? Now no be English. No be now your papa language I dey speak. Me they ask you. I dey speak English, broken English. They say me I speak English. Abby, my sister, keep doing you, okay? Don't mind that. You just talk and say wash as you tell reply. Me for me I like her. As you tell they say wash and reach where you wash and reach then go. If my channel don't tire you, silence the bell. No worry. If one go, 100 people go come. But that time you say one subscriber mean a lot to you. Some subscribers sometimes they don't really mean a lot to you. If you know the who they get them, by the grace of God, God will give you. Some not who deserve me, they would near you because they be pronounce her finish. Don't be one pronounce her. I close my eye, then I do my hand like this. My people. And our sister too, Abiandfamily, she's still talking about her stepson. For me, Abby, you are right. You are right. You know, this abroad of 18, when you start with illegal something, you never get driving, my prince. You never get driving, you want drive car. No, you dey abroad. You dey Canada. Canada not be Nigeria, okay? Your mom, she needs good for you. That is why she tell you, say, no drive without no driving license. Go learn your driving license. It go full easy for you. Now, the English country, if not for the English country, the country on there, as far as you go school for there, you don't big. You go fix, learn the driving license. May I tell you one thing? For experience, for experience. I know. This person never start family. Then he get car. He dey drive car without driving license. Then when police can't control him. Then police give am multa, they pay. Person wey not get driving and person wey get driving, may I tell you the big difference. If maybe you by mistake, maybe you dey rush, say, oh, may I park here, I fit park here, maybe all those handicap parking space, you can't park there, police can't call, they can't tow that car. That time they will use everything to tie you. Your driving license go hard, to collect the car go hard. Then when you can't start family, the thing will come hard to you. Please do one pure, as you never get family, so go learn your driving. My prince Abi son, I dey talk to, so go learn driving for me. Go learn, no vex. Okay, I know say as a youth you must do say my mommy no want me, she need the good for you pass me. I know I advise any, or in fact anybody close to me talk of my children, say make dem drive without no driving license. Abroad no be Naija o, our Nigeria we fit do am, but this abroad forget. And if you still dey drive, maintain your driving license. Once they don collect, they don the dot 2 comot, the dot if you finish, in fact who start to dey learn today, e go start, in fact e go even dey fast than you. Then you they go do you like this, so that when you get and you will know the what. Okay, my prince, I hope I clear that part. Your mommy Abi and family, she need the best for you. She no want make her son find himself for a condition. You know what it takes, say you don't born pikin, you don't born children, you see the jump box. It's not easy, no, it's not easy. I can tell you, I wear the shoe, it's not easy. Don't make that mistake when they'll come right, you know, if I get car before, now is the car supposed to dey useful. Now car never even dey useful for you because you still single. Now when you don't marry, you don't start to dey born children. You dey pack children like say now that time car dey really good for you. Okay, please, your mommy need the best for you. No look and say your mommy not for me. Oh, your mommy advice to where say get your driving. Please go and learn your driving, okay? So that when the thing come, when the car come, you will fit drive. Okay, now this one I get to talk. If you don't like also people, my commenters, when I never be content creator, if I don't like that Pepsi content, I not send that Pepsi, I know they comment to people. I won't even send their comment self, won't even send their content. Sometimes I know they comment, I know they comment, I know sabi comment, but YouTube now they fox me say I must comment. That is the reason why they comment. When I don't mind me sleep, I go. If you never subscribe to this YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, all married Sonny, I'm loyal. I don't feel appreciate you now from the beginning. I can't find out say I know they appreciate you now. I appreciate you now. In fact, I'm loyal. If my sister, what are you doing? I don't know this body. I don't eat. If I just eat. This is the ladies.
To go bow for the result. Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt.